Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study math in grade 7, step by step. First, it's essential to understand what your curriculum expects from you. 7th grade math often includes pre-algebra, geometry, and working with rational numbers. Next, make sure you have a strong grasp of foundational concepts from earlier grades, such as fractions, decimals, and integers. Finally, develop a realistic study plan. This will help you manage your time and ensure consistent practice without feeling overwhelmed. To truly succeed, consistent practice is key. Work through problems every day, even if it's just for 20 minutes. Visual aids, like diagrams or manipulatives, can make abstract concepts much clearer. Remember, math isn't about memorizing formulas. It's about understanding the logical steps and connections between ideas. If you grasp the why, the how becomes much easier. Quick recommendation: if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. And on another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're incredibly comfortable and durable, perfect for those long study sessions. You can find a link to them and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. It's normal to face challenges, but don't let confusion linger. Ask your teacher or a tutor for help as soon as you encounter a difficult topic. When tackling big problems, break them into smaller, more manageable parts. This makes them less daunting. Also, try to make math enjoyable. Look for real-world examples, play math games, or even use apps to make learning engaging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.